Welcome to eMotorsDirect.ca, your online solution for industrial motors, gear reducers, controls, parts, and accessories. This tutorial will feature the easy steps to creating an account with eMotors Direct. To create your account, click on the Sign In or Register button located in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, click on Register Here. You'll be directed to the Create an Account page. Fill out all required fields. Opt in for the Loyalty Rewards program by checking off the second box to earn annual price discounts, free ground shipping, free return shipping, and more with the Loyalty Rewards program. Click Register and your account is complete. Through your account, view your purchase summary, order history, and billing information. You can also track your order from your account and view your Loyalty Reward program details. In case you forget your password, the reset process is simple. Click on the Sign In option at the top right corner. Below the password slot, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen. Have questions? Give our expert team a call. We'd love to hear from you.